para akong inaalon at nalulunod sa batikos ng mundo, sa kung ano lamang ang kaya ko. Bigang-biga na sa mga problemang di masolusyonan agad, parang wala.
Climate change refers to the change in the environment conditions of the Earth. This happens due to many internal and external factors. The climatic change has become a global concern over the last few decades.
Cause of climate change by human activities such as burning fuel and deforestation, industrial, agricultural, waste management, and transportation, which release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. Urbanization reduces green space that issue.
Dahan-dahang tumingin sa salamin upang makita ang ating kagandahan.
The climate change is very popular when it comes to weather, so how are we going to avoid this type of climate? First of all, avoid cutting trees to prevent floods, and also do not burn some plastic bottles. And also learn to planting and watering those plants because it helps it when the day has come, and the effects for the human are very helpful because a simple kind of work from learning climate change is very helpful to the world.
Let's all be mindful. The good thing is, there are many solutions, and we are part of it. A lot of us think that we just need to plant trees, but it doesn't end there.
Let's work together as one good family.
In combating climate change.